Moving is stressful. Being an adult would not recommend. Cancel my subscription. Hey, how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So you guys, I'm moving. I'm leaving New York City, New York. The creme of the creme. Honestly, applaud to New York. This has been an amazing experience. Back to Detroit, Michigan. This was a very last minute decision. So I've been here for I think about 8 months, 7 months. And my lease is up in May, but the semester ended way early. The semester ended in April. If you guys haven't seen like my last week of school vlog, I'll have that linked up above. But the semester ended so early that the superintendent was like, if you want to move out early, you can, and not pay for May's rent without penalty. And I'm like, save coin? Okay. Capricorn in me was like, yes. So I'm going back to Detroit, you know, to save money, see friends and family, but also most importantly, get my vaccine first. So I need to get my vaccine shot. And I don't know what's going to happen. Like I heard like your arm hurts, you might get a fever, you might feel like sick, and I'd rather be sick at home than sick here by myself. So that's the plan. And the plan is in a few days, more like what, 3 days? 2-3 days from now. So I am very much stressed, but trying to stay calm. And I'm gonna take you guys on this journey. So you might see me have a mental breakdown, I don't know. So the plan has changed like so many different times. Like I was thinking like maybe I get a U-Haul, or like my dad was like, we could like get 2 cars, like he bring his car, I can rent a car, and we just pack everything up and drive, or we just hire some movers. And you know, I don't think I told you guys that my dad had like some surgery recently, pretty minor, he's fine right now, but he shouldn't be lifting anything too heavy. So I decided on movers, and we both decided together a storage unit, which makes sense. I'm only gonna be gone until like August, September when school starts again. So there's no point in me taking all this furniture back and bringing it all back with me. And this is something so new, because in undergrad, all you have to do is bring your clothes and probably some food, and then you just come back with the same clothes and food. You don't have to deal about furniture. It's a lot of furniture. And low-key, I thought I could carry it all myself without my dad's help, but let's just be realistic. This bed is heavy. So the movers are coming in 2 days, and I leave in 3 days. So we got some packing to do. I've been trying to clear out my fridge because I don't want to take that much with me. And I already made a list. So the dresser stays here, the bed stays here, the dining room stays here, the kitchen cart stays here. Those like the big, heavy, bulky items. Other little stuff like the shoe rack and the bookshelf and the trash can, that could potentially stay in the storage unit if there's room, or that can just come back to me with Michigan. My dad said to leave the winter clothes here, which kind of makes sense because it's about to be summer, or it's summer now. I don't know when this video is coming out. Have you subscribed? Go ahead. It only takes a few seconds. Just click the little subscription right there. There's a bell right here. You don't have to click it, you know, but I will encourage you to click it. It's just a few short click, you're done. But I'm gonna start taking some stuff down. This is so exciting and yet so nerve-wracking. Moving is stressful. People do not tell you that, but moving is like, I think one of the most stressful things is like moving, and it's also marriage and school. Would not recommend. Being an adult would not recommend. Cancel my subscription. Doing these things by myself is just very, I don't know if I'm rambling or I'm like stalling, but let's just get started. Okay, so this is the before. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. I wiped down this entire area and removed the cushions. I put up the bookshelf. I really wish there was a way like click it in place. I might like put some tape around it or something. Over here, I just have piles of stuff on my books, the makeup stuff that was on the shelves, all my hair products are right here. I took down the mirror. I emptied out these drawers and just slapped it on my bed. Don't mind that, that's messy. In the dresser, I put the blankets, the curtains, and like all the pillows that were over there. I took the shoes off the shoe rack. I still don't know if I want to disassemble this yet, but I don't know. I put all the clothes on these chairs. I took the legs off the table and just leaned it up right here. The bathroom is almost fully clean. I'm just trying to take down this shelf, but I'm so tired. It's been a few hours and I'm starting to drop stuff, and I know when I get extra clumsy, that's when it's time to go to bed. So I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Hello there, beautiful people. It is a brand new day. So I've done some progress so far. I've done some progress. So over here, I just stacked up all the stuff that's gonna stay in New York in the storage unit. Over here, it's really just a mess, but this is going to a storage unit. This is going to storage unit. The mattress is going to storage unit. The AC unit. I got some boxes. I got the bed. I had to make sure it would fit through the door, but it can, so this bed is going. I still gotta take these clothes off the hangers. All the cabinets in the kitchen are empty. I took the legs off the table already, have the chairs ready. The kitchen cart is completely empty, ready to go. And the bathroom is completely empty. So my dad is here to help me, and we're just waiting for the movers to come, take the stuff to the storage unit. We're gonna see how things fit, and then we'll decide like what goes back to Detroit and what stays here. My stress levels keep going down and up and down and up because things keep happening, but things get resolved quickly, and it's just up and down. It's a roller coaster when it comes to moving, I swear. Oh my gosh, it's so empty in here. So all the big stuff is gone. Yes, moving process is turning way better than I thought it would. Now I just gotta pack all this up, pack all that up, take the stuff out the closet, and then we set to go tomorrow. I would be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit sad right now. This is my very first apartment, and it's now almost completely empty. I just gotta put those in the car. I have trash right here, leftover stuff that was inside the fridge, you know, condiments and stuff like that. But besides that, everything is gone, and I'm low-key, I'm kind of sad right now. I'm like, wow. I've been here for 8 months, and it's time for a new chapter. So we're about to head on the road after I turn in my keys. Yes, this is it. Wow, y'all hear this echo? Echo, echo, echo. Okay, so I told you guys about the storage unit, but I didn't show it to you. So the bed's there, mattress is back there. I got all these bins, boxes, the kitchen cart, the nightstand, and the dresser is like back there. The chairs are stacked up. So this is how it looks, and it will stay this way until about August, maybe September. I is tired, honey, but I'm back in Detroit, safe and sound. So moving was all right, quick and easy, and I'm gonna be home for a few months, so most likely the videos will be here. And this is my childhood room. All my stuff's over there. I really want to change up this room because I'm getting older, and now it's like because I won't be here for that much longer. So let's be honest, this room, clouds in the ceiling, the colors, it all gotta be changed. So hopefully a room makeover could be coming up. But this is the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.